Hi there, my name is Samuel and welcome back to another LEGO Ninjago Season 15 News Roundup, or Leak Roundup, whatever you'd like to call it. And here we have got more information, which apologies, I know this was released 3 or 4 days ago, but as you can see, we've had Harry Potter news, we've got Star Wars, like, stuff being revealed today. I'm not sure if I'll do a video on that or not. We've got just so much going on. We had all the Marvel stuff. There's just so much to cover, so we do have episode 3, 4, 5, and 6 being revealed. So starting off with the descriptions for episode 3 and the title, it is called Unsinkable. The ninja embark on a mission to uncover the source of a mysterious power signal that is disrupting marine life and Nia's power. So that is most probably somewhere under the sea or maybe somewhere on land that they then can track down to the sea. So that is very interesting, and it does seem like Nia's powers will absolutely be going chaotic, and it is disrupting marine life, which you've not really seen, so that would be really interesting. And we got 5,000 fathoms down. Nia and Maya discover the source of the energy pulse that has been affecting Nia's powers and come face to face with a dangerous new villain, which is mostly the octopus one, which we've got some season 15 like poster leaks or something like that, but then again, they're bad quality, and so I wouldn't want to show them, and they're leaked, so I cannot show them. So that is very interesting, showing us the villain in episode 4, and it seems like there most probably be about 12 to 16 episodes I'm predicting currently. Then we have Long Live the King. Prince Kalmar deceives the Melopians, is that the term? And turns the ninja into fugitives. Wow, this is really good, and as people said, Dark Ninjago is coming back. It seems like this will be a lot darker season, like covering element like Nia's powers, and then we've got like this king, like, I don't know, it just seems like it'd be darker and make it a ninja's fugitive, which even more parallels to season 6. So this is, I feel like we are hyping up for an endgame type of like event with like Narcon as like Thanos, you know, like imagine they bring back all of the villains. I really feel like I might actually do a video on that. That might be a good video. But yeah, that all of the information that we know so far. April 4th, I will get my review at ASAP. I will try and put it on priority on everything else, but I think I've got a clearer schedule coming up. So that is really good, and I'm really excited. I've always wanted a water season, so this is so exciting for me. And it seems like they're doing it great. We've got all like these like they're going on with like the myths of mer people and just stuff like that. They're really going down a really good path, and I feel like this is gonna be one of my favorite seasons. I know I say it a lot, but it is really good. Like, season 13 is one of my favorites. With finally Cole, the dungeon, that is incredible. But now they're going to one of the places I wanted them to go, Undersea Ninjago. This is so going to be a season I think I'm just going to be absolutely excited for. And yeah, this is going to be really cool to see all their new suits as well, which honestly, yeah, I can't wait. It is going to be such an exciting season. Like, yeah, those honestly sound really good. So yeah, thank you all for watching this video. Until tomorrow's video, I'll see you there. Bye for now.